Welcome back to My Health. Today, we're diving into the world of Brussels sprouts, those tiny but mighty cruciferous vegetables that pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. Get ready to be amazed by what these little green gems can do for your well-being. Brussels sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with essential nutrients that can support overall health. 1. Nutrient density. Don't let their small size fool you. Brussels sprouts are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting immune function, bone health, and more. 2. Antioxidant properties. Brussels sprouts contain powerful antioxidants like Kaempferol and quercetin, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants may lower the risk of chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. 3. Digestive health. With their high fiber content, Brussels sprouts promote digestive health by supporting regular bowel movements and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber also helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Heart health. Eating Brussels sprouts may benefit heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, reducing inflammation, and improving blood vessel function. These heart-healthy properties can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Whether you roast them, sauté them, or enjoy them raw in salads, there are countless delicious ways to incorporate Brussels sprouts into your meals. Thanks for joining us on My Health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and insights. Until next time, remember to savor those Brussels sprouts and enjoy the amazing benefits they have to offer.